Hello guys, Rohit is here. In this video, we are going to unbox Syvo S-3520A tripod. In this video, we will try to cover every detail regarding to the tripod. So watch till the end. So guys, as you can see here, packaging of this tripod, here they have mentioned model number, name and every detail. Syvo S-3520A tripod is widely compatible for GoPro, video camera, smartphones, DSLR and it comes with 1 year warranty. So you can see overall length of the tripod. Let's see what's inside the box. The tripod comes with carrying bag, so let's see what's inside. This is the actual tripod. With this tripod we got warranty card, and as they have mentioned here, we need to register our ownership in order to claim warranty. We got tripod mount adapter, or you can say mobile holder. Basically this is used for mounting smartphone on tripod. So let's see the tripod. So you can see here overall height of the tripod without extending its arms. It's up to 545 mm. In hand feel is pretty good. We can feel its solid build quality and pretty lightweight, weighing only 740 gram. Syvo S-3520A comes with adaptable leg shoes, so it can easily fit and stable on any floor. As you can see here, it has inbuilt bubble leveling device, with the help of which you can check your horizontal level is correct or not. At the bottom, here is a hook. You can attach weight to it in order to get extra stability. Here are different knobs and levers, with the help of which you can adjust its height, tilt angle and shooting angle. This is the actual height of the tripod without extending its arms. This tripod comes with grab handle, so you can easily pick it and move from one place to another. As we unlock these knobs, we can extend its arms and we can lock it again to fix their position. This is the height with arms extended. As we lose this knob and with the help of this lever, we can extend its height. It's now fully extended and its height is 60 inches with fully extended condition. With the help of this handle, we can move shooting angle up and down and sideways. We can tighten this knob to fix its position. By opening this mount, we can shoot video vertically, for example for TikTok and YouTube shorts. This knob is given here to fix this position. This universal screw is given here to mount mobile phone adapter or DSLR camera, etc. Again, by unlocking and locking this knob, we can reduce its arms, so we can get it shrinked. So that's it. I hope you like this video guys. If you want to purchase, I put link in the description. Go and check out. Thanks for watching.